everyone, my name is Harsh and in this video I'll be covering the basic difference between hot reload and hot start. So many people are generally confused between both of the things. So let me make it clear that hot reload takes less time when we are clicking on the hot reload button or when we are typing R in the terminal for hot reloading. So it generally takes less time. Whereas on the other hand, hot restart takes comparatively more time as compared to hot reload. When we are using the hot reload, the state of the app remains same, but in case of hot restart, the state is destroyed and it is rebuilt and the app starts from the main screen or the first screen again. So why hot reload is generally used is, for example, if you are making an app and you want to see if color is suitable in that screen or not. So what you will be doing is you will be changing the color, but you don't want the whole app to start again. So you can use hot reload in that case and only the color will be changed and the whole state of the app will be remaining same. But when we are using some functions like serialization, so what we generally want is that once the things are happening or the things we have coded, so we want the app to restart from the starting. So we generally press the hot restart button and the state and the app is rebuilt. So that is it for this video.